Hey guys, welcome back to Leggari Products. We have another really cool video for you today. We really hope you enjoy it. We work hard on these videos. We try to show you as much information as we can without being boring. Enjoy.
We've got a cool technique here. We let the epoxy set up for about a half an hour. Now we're gonna take this little paintbrush and create a cool effect. It's kind of the same technique you do with the 3D ones we do with the pool trowels. Just go random ways, see how it's creating that kind of ribbed effect. Looks really cool. So you can see right here where I haven't done yet, and then show them out over here. You can see the difference of it bringing the metallic pigments to the surface and creating that 3D effect, basically. Check out this crocodile texture that we just did on a desktop. Yeah, it's perfectly flat, but it looks like it's all ribbed like a crocodile. All right, we're getting ready to apply our chrome Mica Flakes to the silver top. The epoxy's been down for probably 30 to 40 minutes. We did a cool 3D texture in the top using a paintbrush. And you want to let the epoxy sit for that long, that way the edges quit dripping. Everything gets sticky. That way when you throw the flakes, they're not like dripping off the edge and stuff. So when you're doing our quartz kits and using our Mica Flakes, you want to let the epoxy set up a little bit, about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And then you just do your edges first like I'm gonna do. That way you know how much to put on the top. And I like to kind of throw it on the edge. Fairly hard. All right, so we just did all the edges first. You want to do the edges because you can see how much we got on the top from throwing on the edges. Now we can kind of blend it in and make it all even. If you did the top first, then you threw on your edges, all these outer spots would be a lot thicker flakes. And the cool part about these kits is you can add as much flakes as you want. You can add a lot less flakes, you can add a lot more. You can completely cover the top in flakes. It's up to you, whatever look you're going for. So we're not gonna completely cover it, but pretty close. All right guys, so you always want to do the edge by hand because it doesn't go on to stick on the edge, especially this top corner here. You want to be really gentle. Then you saw me kind of pat some flakes on that corner. But yeah, you just want to be nice and gentle on the edge. We're gonna use the palm sander right here for the top, but the edges you want to do by hand. You can see kind of how easy that was by hand. All right, so I'm using the belt sander to get a lot of these high peaks down, and then I'll go back with the palm sander right here to kind of finish it all off. I've already sanded the edges by hand, the corners by hand, and I was really light on the corners. And still sometimes you can look right here, you can kind of see some wood. Got a little carried away there. When we do this top coat, I'm gonna add some chrome flake right there, and you won't ever see it. So we're getting ready to do the one of the flood coats. We've already sanded it. We sanded the edges by hand. We sanded the top with the machine. And then we're just gonna coat the top, roll it on the sides, and we'll show you how we do it. It's real simple. See how it brings the color out and really makes those flakes sparkle and pop. Alright guys, this is the finished product with the silver base and the chrome flakes. Looks pretty cool. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're always posting new footage, and also follow us on our social media page. We're always posting customer installs there. You can see some really cool projects. And if you guys have some ideas for new projects, let us know below in the comments. Share this video, help us get the word out. And remember, Leggari.com has you covered.